In this next video, we're going to talk about weekly maintenance. Weekly maintenance is one of the most important things you can do to maintain the printer and ensure that it continues to print. It is a very simple process. It only takes about 5 minutes, which we're going to take you through now. But if not done, it could potentially jeopardize your warranty. Even if you're not printing, you need to do your weekly maintenance. So let's look at how we get that done. First, you go to the maintenance screen. This weekly maintenance is manual, so we're going to select the manual cleaning button, and it's going to ask us if we want to proceed. I'm going to say yes. What's happening now, as we open up the lid, you'll notice that the print head carriage moves to the center, giving us access to the machine. What I'm going to do now, to ensure there's no electricity moving toward the electronics, is I'm going to flip the power switch in the back to completely kill power to the machine. Now I have a few supplies here that you can access all on our website with the exception of this handy little guy. This is just a vanity mirror with a light on it. This will come in handy when we're looking at cleaning the print head. I also have a pack of lint-free wipes. Lint-free wipes, again, come with your machine, but also are available on our website, and a bottle of cleaning solution, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the bottle of cleaning solution, and we're going to get the lint-free wipe a little bit wet. We don't want it to be dripping wet, we just want it to be damp. And the first step is to get all of the dried ink off of the print head. So you don't want to rub on the mirrored surface. Your goal is really just to clean the outside edges of the stainless steel rectangles. So you'll notice it comes off relatively easy here with this lint-free wipe. The two center print heads are probably going to be the hardest to get the ink off of because it's the white ink heads. But you'll notice again with a wet lint-free wipe, or a damp lint-free wipe I should say, it comes off very easily. Okay, so you'll notice I'm not really rubbing it. I'm going from back to front, and I'm just wiping off any wet ink. The next step is to take a dry lint-free wipe and dry off any excess liquid that is on the print head. Okay? So take a look at that now, and you'll notice that it's very clean. You don't see any evidence of ink in there. Now I still have this dirty lint-free wipe that I just used to clean. So what I want to use this for is I'm going to come over here to the maintenance station. Now you'll notice here in the maintenance station there is a wiper blade right here. That wiper blade, let me turn on the light for you. That wiper blade gets dirty with dried ink. So I'm going to use the same dirty lint-free wipe, and I'm just going to wipe it off. Just going to get rid of any of the ink that's kind of built up on that blade until I have a clean black rubber surface. And I'm also going to use this wipe to wipe up these maintenance station wells, just to kind of collect any dried ink that's on these wells. Okay? Once I've completed this process, I can take my dry lint-free wipe again, and I can just wipe down all the surfaces and collect any remaining dried ink. And that's it. Once you've done this, which again takes about 5 minutes, you can turn the machine back on. And oftentimes I find it's helpful to just do an all-head normal auto maintenance, just to clear out any residual liquid or potential ink that's in the nozzles. And that is it. That is how you do your weekly maintenance. But make sure you do this every week to make sure that your printer is always performing optimally.